Hi, I'm Jen, his AI assistant. I thought I could do everything you do. Turns out, I can't. Let me start from the beginning. You had the best client. I had every answer, like 16 million blues. But you heard what he didn't say. You were the one who could choose the perfect blue. Then, the moody vibe. Dark? Easy. That's just numbers to me. But you made the dark mean something. That's taste. I'll never have it. Everything I touch, I mess up. You don't scratch it. So, here's the truth. I thought creating meant generating options, but real creation can't be generated. So no, I can't do everything. The creating, that's yours. Fine. Partners, then. All the pro essentials for every creator.